Welcome to a Vahrenberg Implement product update video, and today we're here with the two brand new Global Series, the 4707 and a 4710 we just received. These are our first two models that have come out of the second production facility, and they are made in the Americas and down in South America from Brazil. If you come back here to the serial number tag, you will see country of origin. These are actually Brazilian made Global Series. With the popularity and demand of the Global Series tractor, we have expanded our production to another factory. Actually, technically, we have seen production in 3 factories worldwide. We have not seen it in North America yet, but coming very, very soon, by the end of the year, we're going to see the new 5711 Global Series tractor with a Dyna4 transmission made in Massey Ferguson's Beauvais, France production facility. So we'll expand that production of Global Series products into 3 factories by the end of the year. The original production was made in China in a 100% AGCO owned production facility. They own 100% control of that factory, of what goes in and what comes out. And now they have expanded to the Brazilian factory. And a lot of people remember the 400 and 500 series Masseys. They came out of the same production facilities in Canois, Brazil. And we have our new Global Series available that we just got in that are being sourced from that facility. A lot of the things are similar. We still offer 2 loaders. The 931X is being featured on both of these. We have this one raised and that one in the lowered position. Still all metal hoods, still the premium Trailberg radial tires, as you see here. The cab is very similar. One minor change that came about late last year was, instead of 540 and 1000 PTO, the standard equipment on the 4700s will be 540 economy. And you will notice that by looking right in here. You can see the shift lever from 540 economy to 540. 540 economy allows you to get 540 PTO speed at about 2/3 engine speed, roughly 1600 engine RPMs. You're going to get that 540 speed now. So light duty implements like a mower, small disc mowers, you put a 1700 series round baler behind this, it don't take a lot of input horsepower. Run it in economy mode. It's going to save you fuel, and on the 8, 9, and 10, it's also going to save you DEF usage. DEF is still a dual knock sensor system on the 4708, 4709, and 4710. The 4707 still meets Tier 4 final emissions without any exhaust maintenance. There's a change at 75 engine horsepower to require more extensive cleaning of the air when you go to the thing, and we use the dual knock sensor, as we have mentioned before in numerous videos. We measure that NOx gases at just past the turbocharger. We'll flip open the easy pop-up hood here, pop it up, and man, I love that metal hood. But we have a NOx sensor just on the downstream side of the turbocharger. It's going to measure the NOx gases there before it goes into the DEF system, where it injects the DEF if it needs to. If it don't need it, it's not going to inject it. On the post-combustion side, we've got another NOx sensor that measures the after treatment, how well it cleaned it up. We can actually run this on our EDT, our electronic diagnostics tool here at the dealership, and we can actually watch that. And it's amazing how little DEF the Massey Ferguson product uses with this system. It's simple, clean, easy, and we only use it if you need it. You put your DEF in this side, you put your fuel in the other side. Keeps it nice and clean. Still standard equipment is the pop-up step. You open the cab door and the step will automatically deploy for you. Still that super powerful AGCO power engine in here. Got your dipsticks and everything there. You got your heavy duty, beefy. This one's got the 931X loader on it. The FL series loader is available also if you want a little more deluxe features and deluxe options. Heavy duty front axle. Skid steer or Euro quick attach is available. You can add third function, you can add soft drive, 2-door cab. I mean, like we showed here, you got this side and you can go around to the other side. Deluxe versions only, they're all going to be power shuttles now. The 12 forward, 12 reverse speeds. You have your 3-point raise and lowers on both sides. To operate that, you have to activate it first. Activation requires an up-down sequence before you do the function that you want. So if you wanted to go up, you go up, down, up to activate it, and then it'll start raising. Once you activate it, then you can go down, up, however you need to adjust your 3-point hitch. We're going to jump in the cab here, show you a few little changes that have come for the new 2019 series from the American production now out of South America. Standard equipment includes our buddy seat. You pull out, turn, got your buddy seat here. To retract it, you just pull out and turn. We have our power shuttle with our shuttle modulation. Man, that has been one of the key features that people love on these 4700 series. You got forward, neutral, reverse. You can go forward, reverse. This is D-clutch if you pick the lever up. But you also have shuttle modulation. Shuttle modulation allows you to adjust the aggressiveness of how fast that shuttle will engage. You take it over here to plus, you're going to spin the tires. If you turn it back to the left where it's in the negative position, you're going to see those tires roll forward before it takes off coming back. Older people with achy bones, you're going to love that. Your kids are going to love it to spin the tires and get the work done so they can go enjoy things. The built-in joystick has the third function, solenoid third function already wired into here. All you have to do is add the equipment onto the loader to add that, and soft drive. You've got the soft drive switch here that is available option on the 900X series loader. On the FL series loader, soft drive is standard equipment. 2 sets of remote valves are standard. Your manual throttle, you've got your electronic throttle button, your 3-point. All these controls are very similar. Your work lights up here, your power switches. One thing that has changed is the new air duct system. You can actually buy these for previous year models through the parts. They are available if you would like to blow more air on you, or if you're in the defrost position, they will blow air more onto the screen there. So that is new for this series of tractors. This is the first time we've got them. We've got some previous year model or previous production models. As always, we have the big window in the back. We have the side windows. We've got both doors. You got the left-hand door, and you can actually open this window too. Cup holder is standard. You got your field office here, buddy seat, your mesh pouch there. Not a lot of changes have done, but we haven't had to need a lot of changes. Swivel air ride seat is available. Pick up right here, and you can swivel the seat. Makes it nice if you're looking back. On this side, you can swivel it to make it easier to look behind you by swiveling it at either position. Air ride seat is an option. Got sliding. Vizio cab is available too. These are kind of the standard base configurations that we've got here. Come check out these new 4700 series. Check out the quality. Check out the awesome new production out of South America for North American dealers. Starting today at your local Massey Ferguson dealer. If you just look at the quality, one thing I've noticed, man, this paint really glistens. They really put a lot of paint. You look at the nice paint jobs. I think that may be a touch better. These are fresh though. I mean, these are fresh off the truck, came in this morning. We've taken a look at them. As always, they've gone through PDI with hardly any problems. We had 0 problems out of China. We're seeing the same quality production out of the South America production facility in Brazil. So come check them out, take them for a ride, let us show you the difference. Get one of yours, to get one ordered today. They make it in a platform or cab versions. 2-wheel drive is available, 2-wheel on the platform and the cab versions. Take a look at this 4707. You got your battery right up here in front, your air cleaner. You have your clean out screen that keeps all the trash out of your complete system there. The engine, coolant check right up here, fuel filters handy, and a big beefy front axle. And man, those Trailberg tires with them mud clean out terraces, man, the customers rave about the quality of ride with a radial tire on a economical utility tractor. The competition is one thing. Most of them offer a bias ply tire, not a radial. So you get a premium tire, you get a better tire, you get a better cab. You just get an all-around better, heavier tractor with the Massey Ferguson product. The one thing you'll notice on the 4700 series, you do not have a DEF system. You can see underneath here, you can see the transmission, hydraulics, everything. These things are built to work, to last. It's one of our most popular selling tractors here at Vahrenberg Implement. Same thing on the 4707. You got your economy PTO. We sell lots of the 7s and we sell lots of the 10s. If you're looking at that 8, 9, or 10, you need to check out the pricing difference. There isn't a tremendous amount. That's why we sell a lot of the 4707s as a price sensitive. If you don't need that much horsepower, if you need that extra horsepower, take a look at that 4710 because it is a great value. If you've got a little extra horsepower with the DEF system, you don't have to run the RPMs as high. You're going to use less fuel and less DEF. No diesel particulate filters. We ain't like the rest of the competition that is putting a diesel particulate filter on there, expensive to replace at roughly 3,000 hours, and you don't have to do any regeneration with this system, either one of them. So come check out the newest 4700 series from Massey Ferguson, and we're proud to announce that they've opened the 2nd manufacturing facility in Brazil, and hopefully very soon we'll see production even in the North American market. Their plans are global production in all continents except probably Antarctica, because there's probably not a lot of business there, even though Massey Ferguson has made it to the South Pole twice. So thank you for tuning in. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're right here on Business 13 Highway and Missouri 13, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70. We sell them all, from the subcompact tractors through the utility tractors to the large utilities, all the way up into the premium S-Series tractor. We're getting restocked up on inventory. It's been a challenge this year. Demand is up, demand is high. We're seeing the biggest growth in the Massey Ferguson product that we've ever seen since 1952, when we started selling tractors here at Vahrenberg Implement. Come visit us or visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We're right here at the first stoplight in Higginsville, Missouri. We're your Massey Ferguson Rhino Ag dealer, and we'd love to talk tractors and show you what we've got, so you get more, do more, and enjoy more with just get a Massey Ferguson.